Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll explore how to create an object by omitting properties based on a given function in JavaScript. This technique is useful for data filtering and object manipulation. Let's dive in. The idea is simple. We provide a function that checks each value, and if the function returns true, we remove the property from the object. This gives us fine-grained control over filtering. This function works in 3 steps. First, we extract all keys. Then, we filter out the ones where our function returns true. And finally, we reconstruct the object using reduce. Breaking it down, we first get all object keys, then filter out those we do not need, and finally, we rebuild the object using the reduce method. As seen in these examples, we can use this method to filter out objects dynamically based on various conditions. This technique is useful in data processing, API response filtering, and even form validation, where we need to remove unnecessary fields dynamically. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to selectively filter properties from an object in JavaScript. Try using this technique in your own projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.